In a statement that's just come in, senior BJP leader LK Advani has once again cleared the air on his prime ministerial ambitions, saying clearly that his party has given him more than being a prime minister. What he's already got from being a senior leader in the BJP is much more than perhaps being a prime minister. Tavleen Singh on the phone with us for more on this. Now, Tavleen, at a time when the BJP is really struggling with a leadership crisis, what really does this statement allude to? What does it mean?
See, remember, Tina, today being his 85th birthday, LK Advani addressed the press just a short while ago, very categorically when a question was asked on the political crisis that is currently, happening as in his party. He has very categorically stated that there are no political comments that he would want to make, but he wants to make it clear that his party, BJP, as well as the country, has given him so much more than becoming a prime minister. Remember, prime ministerial debate, as far as LK Advani is concerned, has always been a hot topic, ever since what we saw in 2004 as well as 2009. And him coming out and very categorically stating means that somewhere or the other, LK Advani knows that there is a time for others now to step in as far as prime ministerial debate goes. But reading too much into what he has said from his point of view, he says that he only wants to make it clear that he is very happy at the position that he is right now in the party.
Well, Tavleen, let's listen in fact, to that statement from LK Advani on his birthday.
पार्टी को सर इतनी देखिए अब फिर पार्टी की तरफ से आपको क्या लगा कि इस जन्मदिन का पार्टी जो है वो उन्होंने तो जीवन भर मुझे इतना दिया है कि कोई मुझे कहता है कि आपको प्रधानमंत्री बनना, मैंने कहा प्रधानमंत्री कोई ज्यादा थोड़ी है जो कुछ मुझे मिला है अपनी पार्टी से और देश से, वो ज्यादा नहीं है।